I got the F-16 going back up, second flight for today. Still about 33 degrees, about a 5-mile-an-hour crosswind, and a little cool. I'm going to taxi down to the end of the runway, or a little further down, not the end, so we can get it to come off the ground right here, pretty close to in front of us. Alright, here we go. There's full speed. Back pressure. Not quite in front of us, but she'll do. High speed pass. Get it in a little closer here. I'm flying with the rudder and the elevator in mid rates, aileron in low. Put the aileron into mid. We'll look at the roll rate. Yeah, gets a little axial roll even at mid. AS3X does smooth it out though, even at the mid rate. She's just a quickie. I do want to put my GPS logger on here eventually though. Get us a measurement of the speed. I still think the FMS Yacht 130 is faster. Same size battery, same size fan, as far as 70mm 11 blade. Slow pass here. Alright, make us a gear pass and come around for a landing. Gear dropping out right now.